Now that we are under quarantine, I wanted to finally do some of these like TikTok hacks that I've seen, and one of them was this whipped coffee that I've been seeing so many like TikToks on, and I wanted to try it just because I love coffee, two, it seems like it tastes really good. Excuse the setup. This is our kitchen counter, and like, okay, I have elderly parents, so that's why there's like all these medications and stuff in the background. So what I have is my bowl. I bought some instant coffee. It got Folgers. It was $1.39. I have a cup of hot water. I have white sugar. I might add some cacao, just basically just cocoa powder. Just to add a little bit of a chocolate taste, because I really do like chocolate and coffee together. And then I have my Starbucks cup that I got. That was like $4. And then of course you gotta have your hand mixer because it does require you to mix things. So yeah, let's get up into it. I've seen a few videos and they kind of do different things. Some was like do a teaspoon, some was like do equal measures. I think I'm gonna follow the recipe that just says do equal measures just because I like coffee. So this is the instant coffee. Pouring that in the cup. Should probably get a spoon. I'm not a fan of like a lot of sugar in my coffee, so probably just gonna do like that. Again, not a big fan of sugar in my coffee. I actually just prefer, my coffee is pretty light. I just put creamer. But I haven't used this. I got this in my Bless box if you saw that video, and I've never used it. But they do say you can add it, which is exciting. But add. No, it can't hurt to have too much cocoa powder, you know? And then they said it's hot ass water. Just gonna pour that in there. Careful not to, like, I don't know, fucking burn yourself like I almost did. And now we're gonna get the hand mixer. Now, time to mix. Okay, so the recipe does call you to use your hand beater for like 5 minutes or until you get this like caramelly color. So as you can see, it is really tedious, not gonna lie, but we're gonna go and taste test it. Okay, so it's not a lot of product. Like I said, if you do want like a larger quantity, I definitely recommend doing equal parts. Just make sure everything is equal, like equal coffee to sugar to water ratio. But like, it's so good. It tastes just like, it tastes like a latte, like really frothy, really good. I used almond milk in mine, like I've told you before on this channel. I am a alternative milk girl, but this TikTok hack was worth the hype. Would recommend. I'm actually going to include the TikTok that I watched to make this, and it's fucking delicious, you guys. Like 5 out of 5. Like, for once, I was not disappointed by my TikTok. I'm off to make some more. The only downside I found, which is the fact that you have to really whisk it for 5 minutes. And I'm like, I'm sure you're like, what is 5 minutes, bitch? But like, whisking that shit for 5 minutes sounds exhausting. It's exhausting. Anyway, thank you for following me on this TikTok journey during this quarantine. So, peace out, babes.
First things first, get yourself a big ass bowl and some instant coffee. Into the bowl, we're gonna throw in equal parts coffee, white sugar, and hot water. Now, I do not have a hot water dispenser, so I had to boil it manually. It took a bit longer, but that's okay because bitch, we are in quarantine. Once you have everything in there, get yourself a hand mixer, and we're just gonna beat our mixture until it's like a light caramel brown. I decided to add more sugar just because I'm an asshole and I like my coffee sweet. Once you get something like this, try it out to see if you like it. If you do, let that vibe on the side, and get yourself a cup and some almond milk. Boom, milk in. I didn't have ice at home, so I got myself some McDonald's ice in. And finally, you pour the froth on top. Ooh, this barista shit is easy. JK. If you really think about it, this is really just like a reverse latte. You know what I mean? It was pretty good. But what I did was I took my cookie, dunked it in there, ate the cookie, and that, ladies and gentlemen, and non-binary individuals, hits different. Let's go. This is me wanting to go outside, but I can't because I'm trying to be responsible.